how to activate your Citibank card. If you have received whether it is a debit or credit card and then you want to activate your card using the Citi mobile application, it is absolutely very simple to do so. First of all, you want to go ahead and then launch the Citi mobile application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now what you want to do is right over here at the bottom you can see register or activate. Now by the way, you will be actually able to see this type of interface. So let me just go ahead and then reopen the application. On the login page you can see the option that says register activate. So over here you can simply register or activate using a credit card, debit card. You can see it says register activate a card. So if it's your credit card, you can select that, tap on continue. After that, simply scan the card over here, or you can enter the card number manually. After you do that, tap on next. You can follow the on-screen instructions and the card will be activated. You can repeat the same process if it is a debit card as well. So you can tap on it, tap on continue, enter your debit card number, last 4 digits of SSN, agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap on the continue button to activate it. This way you can activate your Citibank card. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.